Shandong Well Vehicle and Parts Company Limited is a group enterprise specializing in the supply truck and trailer spare parts. We have professional engineer support, high-efficiency sales team, and competitive price, so we can provide customers the appropriate plan of procurement and transportation. Our products are exported to over 40 countries and regions, including Europe, America, South America, Middle East, Africa, Southeast Asia, and more other countries. Our associated factory name is Hongtong, located in Liangshan, Shandong Province. It has been certified by IATF 16949 and 3C since 2000. All products have passed the E Mark, Roche testing from Europe, FMVSS 121 from Link, DOT, AMECA from America. With these testing, we can ensure the quality very well. Until now, we have great advantages in supplying truck brake lining, brake pad, axle, suspension, and all of trailer spare parts. In addition, we have many advantageous accessories suitable for Chinese trucks, such as clutch, shock absorber, chamber, filter, oil seal, etc. After several years' development, our associated factory equipped with highly automated mechanical equipment to ensure our production efficiency and qualification rate, so we can guarantee the delivery time very well. We sincerely invite you become our brand agent. We can also provide you OEM services. Welcome all friends from different countries to visit our factory. We sincerely look forward to cooperating with you.
We are a professional supplier dealing in Chinese truck spare parts and semi-trailer parts. The products we provide are deeply liked by our foreigner customers. Our team will provide you with a good quality product and good service. Welcome all our friends and customers to visit us and purchase the product.